Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Today we will take a look at the gold market. The gold market's really very interesting situation right now is developing, so especially on the high time frame charts. If you would like to know some details, you could read our weekly research where we have posted the very detailed analysis of the monthly and weekly situation. And shortly speaking, as monthly and as weekly chart do not forbid the market to continue move higher. Although they do not provide as well some clear patterns, some clear continuation patterns, or oppositely some reversal patterns, but they show that market really has significant room to continue move higher. And if even this will happen, this will not mean the major reversal, bullish reversal on the monthly chart. This will be just a retracement. So, other words speaking, the high time frame chart analysis doesn't tell that market has no chances to continue move to the upside. That's why we will use this as the background for our analysis, and we will suggest that theoretically we could expect another action to the upside in a medium-term perspective. Meantime, on the short-term perspective, what we will do in the beginning of the week, we will use mostly the daily chart. We see that market finally has reached very significant resistance. So, if you remember, in the two last sessions on the last week, we have expected for some pattern on the intraday chart that could trigger a retracement that will let us to think about taking a long position. But every time, as on Thursday, as on Wednesday, we haven't got any retracement. Even when the market has hit on Thursday this overbought, we said, well, market finally has hit an overbought, maybe we will get, that was, by the way, somewhere around the 3-8 resistance, this move down. But on the next day, market has moved inside of the overbought, has become deeply overbought on the daily chart. Market hasn't been in this condition since maybe beginning of the year. This was this rally. As you can see, market also here has crept inside of the overbought very deeply. So something of that sort we have right now. But at the same time, currently we have another reason to finally think about the possible retracement down. This is the daily confidence resistance. 1165, 1173. It's really strong resistance area that's accompanied by the overbought. So markets will be very difficult to pass through it as it no exists, and very probable that finally we will get some bounce down. Especially don't forget that we have this bearish momentum here. So market was in the bearish action too long, and this is first meaningful upward bounce, but the bearish momentum, bearish impulse still presses on the market, and sooner or later the deep retracement should happen. Maybe we will get something on the next week. Also, guys, if you'll take a look at this chart, you will see that market has completed some kind of the lightning bolt ABCD. So we will find this A, B, C bottom, D points also has created some kind of the agreement with the confidence resistance. So this is really a strong resistance area, as strong as we just could imagine, only imagine. So that's why we probably again will think about, we'll watch for possible reversal pattern that could trigger the bearish retracement. Partially we have discussed this on Friday already. So if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, we'll see if in fact we have the same thrust that we have discussed on Friday. Here is the plunge down that we discussed as opportunity for taking the long position if we will get the bread and butter. But in the current circumstances, guys, appearing of the double repo pattern, double repo sell, looks more logical than the bread and butter buy, because market is a strong resistance. Market doesn't need right now any continuation pattern. It needs to abandon, to leave the uncomfortable overbought. It needs to bounce down from the confluence resistance area. So that's why appearing of the double repo pattern seems more logical in the current circumstances. And we have some kind of the confirmation from the market on this topic, because take a look on this plunge down, market hasn't closed below the 3x3, and during this retracement market hasn't quite reached a 3/8 support. This is necessary condition for getting the brand bottom. So we haven't got the brand bottom here. At the same time, market has closed below the 3x3. Now it has closed above again. What we need is just the second close below, and it's preferable if market will form another top that will be in the comparison with this first one. It's not too small. So if they will be approximately equal, that will be just great. So for example, if market in the beginning of the week will show some kind of upward action, but later will fail and close below the 3x3, that will be just perfect action. If this really will happen, we will get the double repo sell pattern, and in this case we could count on downward retracement to somewhere to 1130 area. This will be the confluence support on the forward time frame chart. Maybe even lower, maybe to the weekly pivot support one. That's also possible. So we will be looking for that. But what is, it's not really a big deal how deep market will drop, but we just need that market will start to drop. If you're a scalp trader, you could use this pattern for trading short. If you're a daily trader, and mostly our analysis is dedicated to the daily chart, we just need to do nothing. We just need to wait when the retracement will start, and our task will be is to catch the bottom of this retracement, is to find the correct level where we could take the long position and join with the upside rally, since market really could continue move high. That's our trading plan for the coming week.